Hello! Today I'd like to introduce to you another multiplication strategy called the box strategy. And this is another one of several strategies that can be helpful in multiplying larger numbers together. So let's go ahead and start out with a problem. 12 times 13. And this is called the box strategy, so you guessed it, we'll go ahead and make a box. Now, since our numbers have two digits in them, we'll go ahead and create two sides on each side of the box for the numbers you'll see. We'll start with 12. There is a 1 in the tens place, so we'll go ahead and write a 10 next to this first side for that number 1, and then a 2 in the ones place. And if we come over to the 13, we also have a 1 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. Now to solve this problem, we'll go ahead and multiply these numbers together. 10 times 10 would be 100. 10 times 3 would be 30. 2 times 10 would be 20. And 2 times 3 would be 6. So if we bring those numbers out to the side here, we can go ahead and add them together. To get the answer of 156. Now, just as in the butterfly strategy, it's very important to note place value if you choose to use this multiplication strategy. We note that this 1 was in the tens place, 2 in the ones place, this 1 is also in the tens place, and 3 in the ones place. Some people might be tempted to put a 1 right here instead of a 10, but you have to remember what place value each number is in. So let's go ahead and do a second problem. We'll do 15 times 23. We'll come make our box down here. And in the 15 we see we have a 1 in the tens place, representing 110, and a 5 in the ones place. Moving across to 23, not a 1, but a 2 in the tens place, which would be 20, and a 3 in the ones place, giving us 3. So let's go ahead and multiply these together. 10 times 20, 10 times 3, 5 times 20, and 3 times 5, or 5 times 3. We'll bring those out to the side here. And add them all together to get 345 as our answer. So again, when you're solving these problems, just keep in mind place value, because it's important to end up with the correct answer. Our last problem we'll do will be 37 times 19. And we'll go ahead and make a box down here for that. Alright, our 3 here is in the tens place, so that will give us 30. 7 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, and 9 in the ones place. So 10 times 30, 9 times 30, 10 times 7, and 9 times 7. We'll bring these numbers out to the side here. 300, 270, 70, and 63, and add them together. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 6 is 20, carry the 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Gives us an answer of 703. 703. So in conclusion, this is the box multiplication strategy, and it's especially helpful when multiplying 2 or more digit numbers together. And as I said before, keep in mind your place value, because that will be very important for solving these problems.